If you have a good mindset, you will attract good. If you have negative mindset, you will attract negative. If you are thinking of drugs, you will go for drugs. You think, oh wow, let's go on a bike ride without the helmet and let's take that breeze and feel like a king and a queen and be psycho and then meet with an accident. Fine.
But sometimes when I thought negative, it will be happen.
That's what I'm saying. If you think negative, negative only will happen, right? If you think positive, then only positive will happen. See, imagine there's a cricket match and there's Dhoni and Virat Kohli, okay, Rohit Sharma. So when they are playing that match and they are thinking, oh my god, if I lose, oh my god, if we will lose, definitely we will lose. I think we are going to lose. Then what's going to happen? It will spoil the entire match. Bottom line is, you're not supposed to think of the result. Even if you think like in this way, what's going to be the result? Would I win? Would I lose? What's going to happen? ये सोचोगे तो match गया. If you think negative, then definitely negative will happen. And if you think positive, then positive will happen. But you have to think from your heart. The positive you are just thinking. The point is, okay, I want to be really successful in life, but you're not working hard for that. Then there's no point. Like for instance, I want to speak like Princess Diana. Suppose you feel, wow, I want to speak so fluently in English. But you have to work hard. There's a journey that you have to follow to reach that goal, that destination. There are many people who have big wishes. Oh, I will lose weight and I will be like Katrina Kaif and but they don't want to go to the gym. Even if they're going on a, say, Sunday, Monday, max Tuesday and Wednesday, they'll gobble a plate of biryani and then they will be like, oh, Lord, let me chill for a few days. So there's no consistency. It's very easy to think big, like, okay, I want to be rich, I want to be successful, I want to have the best physique, best health, but nothing comes free. Nothing in this world is free. You have to give your sweat and blood to get it. Even your personal life, if you want happiness and love, it's not for free. If your parents are not going to do for you, you won't feel that love for them. Similarly, as children, if you don't do for your parents, they won't feel that love for you. Though their love is unconditional, and I understand whatever nonsense you do, they still love you. But I'm saying that if you do for them, that love would be to some other level. Are you understanding? Yeah.